Am I the only one that didn't know the bizarre reason we say, bless you, when someone sneezes? Spoiler, it's wild. This tradition dates back to ancient times. People believed sneezes could expel evil spirits from your body. Yep, just like a mini exorcism in your nose. Fast forward to the 6th century. During the plague, Pope Gregory I suggested saying, God bless you, to protect people from illness. Talk about divine intervention. Now it's just second nature. Next time you sneeze, remember, you're getting more than just a blessing. You're dodging evil spirits and plague vibes. So next time someone sneezes, don't just say, bless you. Channel your inner medieval hero and shout, be gone, evil spirits. Do you always say bless you after a sneeze? Let us know below.